The production part of our factory. This is our CAD department. We do the CAD designing over here. After the CAD is done, we have the printing machine over here. We can print the CAD cam in our factory only. After the CAD cam, we do the camming process over here. The silicone die cutting and the rubber die cutting is done over here. This is our wax injector room. We are doing the wax injecting over here with both the silicone and rubber mold. We have the automatic machine over here also. This is our wax injector room, wax room, where we done the wax filing. Wax cleaning and support has been added over here for the casting process. This is the investment mixture round. Over here we put the investment inside for the casting process. After the investment is done, we keep it in the flask for 16 hours to make it solid. These are our furnaces. This is our Sulthesis casting machine. We do generally casting in the morning, so the process is being taken to correct right now for the tomorrow's part. After the casting is done, the tree cutting part is done over here. After the tree cutting is done, we can do the pre-polish over here in the media machine. This is our media machine plant. This is our metal control unit. Everything is done from here, issued to the casting department and for the filing, setting and everything. This is our filing department. Our supervisor is checking for the filing quality. If there is any process, he will correct it. This is our setting department. In setting, we do wax setting also. The hand setting is done over here. Final QC is done over here for the hand setting. This is our polishing department. This is our laser soldering plant. This is our rhodium plating plant. The machine is imported from Europe. This is our laser stamping machine. This is our final QC department. The final QC has been done over here. The ring size has been done. This is our gold department. We do the gold production over here. Right now the people are less due to the lockdown. Gold filing, gold setting with diamond, with tendinites and opals. We are making the samples, new samples over here. and cold QC being done over here. Final sheet and costing to be done over here in the marketing department. Final packing being done over here before we send to the customer.